Oh, hi. How are you doing? Okay. बहुत दिनों बाद लाइव कर रही हूँ, सॉरी. एंड ऑल्सो इन दिस लाइव आई विल टॉक अबाउट मेरा गला थोड़ा ख़राब है, सो थोड़ा आवाज़ अजीब सा है, तो प्लीज़ एडजस्ट. इस लाइव में मैं टॉप पिक्स की बात करूँगी. आई विल टॉक अबाउट टॉप पिक्स विच most of the brokerages are recommending. Now what is happening is that in this market, in such a market, एक्चुअली मेरा कैमरे का ओरिएंटेशन थोड़ा हॉरिजॉन्टल आ गया था. अदरवाइज आई वाज वर्टिकल आ गया था. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू डू इट हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, बहुत दिनों बाद लाइव कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा भूल जाते हैं. सो आई वाज मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रील्स एंड शॉर्ट्स चैनल्स. सो क्या है, talk about some of the top picks which are recommended by most of the brokerages also, because the market is now picking up pace, and by Diwali, in fact, brokerages feel that 20,000 can be touched, 20,100 or something can be touched again. Okay, मेरा गला काफ़ी ख़राब है. ओके, इसलिए भी मैं लाइव नहीं कर रही थी. ओके, सो नाउ quickly we'll jump on to those stocks, and because there's so many, there are lots of them which you can pick. So now what is happening today is that out of which SBI भी है उसमें. SBI के ऊपर कुछ नोट आया है, डाउनग्रेड आया है, that because the NIM is expected to fall because of the unsecured loan का जो proportion है, that is now increasing in banks. Okay, now this is a problem which the banking sector faces, and also because of which the banking stocks have been not doing well in the past. So but the balance sheets were clear and all that, so these stocks started doing well. So let's hope this problem doesn't go up. क्या हो रहा है बाप रे. Okay, so I'll quickly, jaldi se I'll tell you such stocks, because in such a market, when the market is going up, down, then sometimes, and then you don't know to miss the rally, okay, whenever it happens. Okay, so now these are the stocks which I have picked up from brokerages, all brokerages, okay, and they have named these stocks in their top picks, in their model portfolios, in their they are not contra calls, okay, but they are in their top picks, and also picks for, some are picks for the long term. So I'll tell you which are picks for the long term, because a model portfolio also has picks for the long term. Some picks are for the short term, and some are momentizers. Okay, so now these stocks are, and most of them you must have heard. In fact, मेरे ही वीडियोस में आपने काफ़ी बार ये स्टॉक्स के बारे में सुना होगा. Okay, so now I'll start quickly, and will not go by cost ways, the cost and all that, because generally I talk about stocks which are still cheaper, their valuations are good and all that. But in this case, because these are the picks by brokerages and what others are saying, so most of them may be expensive. So whenever there's a dip, you can buy. See, I'm a believer in buy in dips kind of a strategy. Of course, not all stocks, but some stocks which are good, which have good fundamentals, which have been having good technicals and all that for a very long period. You have to observe these stocks for a very long time. Okay, I'm sorry I did not inform about this live earlier. I'm suddenly doing this live. You can catch up later for those who are missing it, because live करने का भी मुझे टाइम मिल नहीं रहा है, because there was so much of up and down in the market, so I was having lots of queries. Okay, so I'll start with the stocks. The first one is Titan. Okay, the festival season is now around the corner. Festival season around the corner. क्या festival start ही हो रहा है Sunday से ही. Marriages हैं, and at this time this stock just rallies. So this, और इसका quarter 2 भी बहुत solid था Titan का. Okay, so first one is Titan. इसमें आप कल्याण ज्वेलर्स भी ऐड कर लीजिए. It's much cheaper than this stock, and it has also given good returns in the last 1 year only. If I only look at the 1 year, okay, in the 1 year only it has given very good results. The next one is M&M. Okay, now these are stocks which are in the model portfolios and the top picks, irrespective the market is up or down. Okay, then there is ITC. Okay, we know ITC story. Now the some stocks have actually climbed, so you can wait for them to come down. Okay, L&T, I'm not surprised by this list. HCL Tech, Q2 result आया था. It's not bad, it's actually good. Actually, I don't think so IT quarter results are bad. They were not expected to do very well. The quarter was expected to be muted. But what is good in these results is that the deal wins are good, and uh, their guidance is not that less. Infosys has cut its upper guidance, but otherwise most of them are decently placed. Okay, only the BFSI, towards looking sectors segments have not paid them well, but otherwise manufacturing is doing well for them. Retail companies, the clients, they are giving good revenues and all that. Okay, not going into its IT so much. Abhi ICICI is there, ICICI Bank is there. Then there is this Avenue Supermarts, DMart is there. Ultratech Cement is there. So whenever there's a fall, Ultratech Cement was very expensive before these corrections happen. So in these corrections, you can make use of these corrections and buy this Ultratech Cement. Bank of Baroda, okay, it was at some 220 something, and in this fall it came up to 206. So use these opportunities to buy. Bajaj Finance, most of the brokerages, not only Indian, international also, they favor this Bajaj Finance stock. This also came down quite a bit, like 9,500 somewhere it was flying. It came down up to 8,000 something. Good time to buy. Ashok Leland, okay, M&M Finance, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance, Kajaria Ceramics. Okay, this is a very, very favored stock since even post COVID also, because people started decorating their houses and all that, revamping their houses. So Kajaria Cements, then Global Health. Okay, pharma names इसमें कम है. I think list complete नहीं है ये. Okay, Godrej Properties. This stock has given phenomenal results, and I see so many projects by Godrej Properties in Bangalore. So this stock has actually given very good results in the past 1.5 years. Credit Access. Okay, this is a long list. Credit Access Bank. This has also done very well. This stock is one stock which I have actually missed. I have not covered this in any of my videos. This one, Credit Access Bank. Okay, Indian Hotels. Yes, it's छक्के मार रहा है ये वर्ल्ड कप में. This stock, I'll just look at it today. They have been opening new hotels. They have been opening, taking new franchisees. They have been recording good quarters. Okay, 415 it is at today. See, it is up like anything. The chart is also showing uptrend. Okay, the company is likely to give a very good super quarter because of the World Cup, and of course because of the travel tourism को boost मिला है, and lots of people are traveling in the festivals. They go home and all that. ROC भी इसका 12.58 है, and which is good enough. Quarterly results, as I said, were very good. Okay, let's move on. We can't go in detail. Metro Brands. Okay, this stock is also in the model portfolios of most of the companies. Okay, you can make a list. You can later replay and see, because it's a long. Actually, I looked at a lot of brokerages, and from there I picked up these stocks. Craftsman Auto. Now this company deals with high-end cars and all that. So because luxury cars are doing well, premium segment in everything is doing well. So this stock has also delivered good results. So Craftsman Auto is also in these. Okay, then Reliance. Okay, Reliance is also there. It doesn't touch that 3,000 mark. It is in the target. This target has been given long back, but still has to touch that target. It will touch. So you have to be patient. Okay. Then there is Airtel. Okay, एयरटेल जाएगा 950,000 में, ये भी जाएगा, जैसे मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे उस टाइप. रिलायंस एंड एयरटेल बोथ. Okay. Now SBI is also in this list, but today this brokerage thing has come out. This downgrade has come out, so we have to again look at it. Okay, so Airtel is here. Okay, so Reliance, Airtel. Okay, then we have Sun Pharma. Okay, pharma stock. Sun Pharma has given excellent results. I also own Sun Pharma. I own a lot of stocks from this list. See brokerages, and I think the same. So Sun Pharma is one another such stock. Then Bank of Baroda, I've said, right? Okay, now DLF, okay, so 575 around that level is the new target for this stock. Real estate sector is seeing a big rally after say a decade or something, and this rally is real. Okay, the stocks are actually, real estate stocks are actually doing well. Okay, so DLF is one of the prime candidates in this. Godrej Property, DLF. Okay, there are many more, don't worry. Suntech Reality. Okay, this also has a new target of around 555. Okay, this is also in the list of brokerages. Now this is 3-4 brokerages which I researched on. Okay, so Suntech Reality, and in fact this one of the brokerages, one of the real estate companies also said, that was Prestige, that is also there. Prestige also said that they almost saw 102% growth in their pre-sales across the sectors. It's not like Bangalore or Bombay or something, but across everywhere pre-sales has gone up 102 times. And 20,000 crore worth pre-sales is expected in the FY24. So if you haven't bought real estate stocks, you can probably think about it. Okay, so Prestige Estates is also here. Okay, then we have Adani Ports. Okay, Adani Ports is here. That Haifa port, because of this Israel war and all that, people were thinking that would be impacted, but there's a new comment by the company, and they said that that is not the case. It actually fell down when the war started, when Israel was under attack, but now it is back in the reckoning. So Adani Ports can be bought. This can be a contra call. Adani Ports. Okay, then there is NTPC. Now this stock is expected to do very well. NTPC, the fossil fuel theory is not over, it's still there. Green energy will take some time to kick in. India is a huge country. India has the power demand has gone up, so fossil fuel story is not over. See, you do live after some time, and I don't have anyone to assist me, so the settings and all that is a problem. Okay, so NTPC can be bought again. The stock has risen 43%. This stock rose in 1 year itself. I was also in this, but then I booked profit and all that. Okay, but this is a good stock. So power demand is up, and in the line is power grid. Okay, so power grid is also a good stock. To overall, we need to add 24 gigawatts of total capacity, coal capacity. These are the figures by the government by 2032 to meet the energy demands of the country. So because of this, these two stocks are powering up. Okay, so power grid, NTPC. Third one is in the power sector is Torrent Power. Okay, this is also a good stock. Stocks associated with smart metering and all that, they are also a long-term story, because the meters would now be changed to smart metering, would be now implemented and all that across the country. So these are the stocks in the model portfolios. So model portfolio has stocks which are most expectedly likely to do well. You must be knowing this. So I thought, why not make a list of such stocks? See the okay, Tata Motors. Okay, it is also one of the in most of the brokerages is a model portfolio. New target has also come. What is around say 177 or something? How can it be 177? This has the company has really done very well in the EV segment, and also they have really ramped up their 638. So it's 777. It's not triple 177. It's 777. That's what I thought. How can it be 177? Okay, so 368 it is trading at today. It has really I'm looking at it since it was at around 300 something level. This was last year. See, exactly at this time, 396 was the uh, stock trading at. See, today it is at 638. Okay, so I told you, last year I had this some 300 with Tata Motors. So that's why 177. Okay, FOPA. Okay, then we have with what where am I? Okay, Karnataka. Oh, sorry, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Karnataka Bank is here, but I don't think so. I think it is. I just wrote it by mistake. This is not in model portfolios. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, now this stock has also given excellent results. So have IndusInd Bank and IDFC First Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank is also here. Excellent results, excellent quarters, and they have also spread across the country. They have increased their reach. So Kotak Mahindra Bank is also here. Okay, कितने stocks हो गए? How many? So many, huh? Okay, you must be wondering there is no IT here. IT stocks are contra call currently. Okay, in IT, if you look at, there is Coforge. Okay, not surprising names. Coforge hai. There is Persistent Systems. Infosys is a contra call. They have it in their portfolio. They will not recommend it because it's not doing that well. So Infosys, Persistent Systems, Coforge. There are many others, but I picked up these three because they are with most of the brokerages. TCS is also there, but not all of them have it. Okay. So these are stocks which are there in the model portfolios of most of the brokerages. So amongst these, you might be having some of them already, or you might not be having. Then these are good ideas. I'm sure I must have missed some of the stocks because there are many other which are jumping in my head. ये क्यों नहीं है, ये क्यों नहीं है, ये क्यों नहीं है, ये भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए. I didn't name any railway stock. How can that be possible? And they have it, but I'm talking about the model portfolios. I'm not talking about flexi caps or mutual funds or all that, those things. But otherwise, I would suggest that okay, today only IRCON and RITES have been given the Navratna status. So I think they would be now coming in the model portfolios by the government of India. Plus IRFC is also a very good stock, and RVNL have also given excellent. I also have IRFC and RVNL. Okay, so they have also given excellent results. I mean, almost doubled the money. Okay, so these are, I'll end this live here. I'll come up with another list of mid cap stocks. The mid cap rally is here to stay for some time. I think it has not exhausted, but of course there is overvaluation now. कुछ फ्रॉथ तो बिल्डअप हो रहा होगा मिड कैप में. So you have to be very careful. Quarter two results, let's see, let's look at the quarter two results. There are so many companies which are on my radar. I'm looking out for their quarter two results, and then I'll make that list of mid cap stocks. Okay, and then we'll talk about them. In the meantime, keep watching my reels. I keep making reels and all that on Instagram. You can follow them. Follow me on Insta. I'll put them in my description box, the links to them, and also my Twitter account. I also because life, sometimes this life becomes a little tough. I'm so sorry, but I'll try to be more regular here. Okay, so I'll see you soon again, in some way or the other. And please keep investing. And whenever, even if the market is correcting, India is a safely 10 to 12 year story with 12 to 18% of gain, definitely. And this is not me who's saying this, but others are also believing it. Even now, the foreign experts believe it. Okay, so I'll see you again. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And happy Navratri. Navratri is beginning from Sunday. So I'll try to make something in between. I'll try to do a live or something. But you can definitely watch my reels and all that. I'll suggest there. And I'll keep a watch on the market. So bye. Have a great day.